there guys, I'm back again and I am celebrating my 30th birthday today. I cannot believe I am 30 years old. My life is over. But today I'm celebrating and I'm kind of in a hurry, but I also have this box that has been sitting and waiting here for quite a couple of days. I just didn't have the time. So we're gonna unbox the B-Luxe box. Okay, since I'm in a hurry, off goes the lid. And this is, oh my goodness, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so we got the little booklet here. I don't have a table near me, it's like over there. So it's gonna be hard to do. But let's just start with the biggest mother load that I see in here, probably also the most heavy one, which is this from Palmolive, I don't know how you pronounce it in America. But this is the Awakening Clay Body Wash, Gentle Purification and Freshness. And this is what that little fella looks like. Sounds good, always can use a body wash, clearly. Let's see how much it costs. Oh, it's over here. It's a full size and it costs €3.49. Okay, moving on to this little fella. And these are nose strips. 14. Oh, you get 7 nose strips and 7 face strips. Oh, that is cool because those blackheads you don't only have on your nose, you have them all over your face pretty much. But the nose is definitely like the most oily one, the most clogged one usually, and the one you touch the most. So that's where you get them the most. But still, I have one like a couple of over here and over here. So everybody has them all over the face, let's be honest. So this is really awesome. Now this is what that looks like. So you can see on the model, she has some on her nose and then on her forehead as well. That's actually where I place the nose strips as well. So this is really, really cool. I really enjoy this. I'm assuming since there are 14 in here that it is a full size. Yes, it's from Bioray. So the deep poring strips are full size and they're €10.99. That's actually a lot of money for nose strips. I actually pay $1.99 for 10 of those. Well, just for the nose, but I mean, you could use them all over your face. So yeah, 11 bucks. A lot of money, but I'm really happy with it. It's like a birthday party over here, you know? It's like I got this box and I'm celebrating my birthday since I'm turning 30 and I got like a huge present from the B-Luxe box, so thank you very much. Let's move on to glove. Quick treat, fast makeup correction tip. Just add water. What? Oh, wow. Okay, that is really, really cool. You just place this little thing on your finger and then you add water and you could just like smudge out makeup that's gone wrong. So that is pretty cool. This is what that looks like, and inside, see, that's the little tip. That is really awesome. Let's see what it says in the booklet. It's a full size and it costs, I dropped it, €4.90. This is a hot mess of a video, but I'm like in really hurry because my guests are going to be here any minute and I need to finish the video. I need to get rid of the lamps. I still need to clean up a little couple of things. So moving on to something from Redken, and I'm pretty sure this is not a full size, but this is the 5th Avenue NYC Extreme Anti-Snap Anti-Breakage Leave-In Treatment for Distressed Hair. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is what that little fella looks like. And now, let's see in the booklet. I don't see it. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, it's 50 milliliters, a travel size. So 50 milliliters costs €6. So basically we got the travel size, which is amazing because it's great, you know, for travel purposes. But it's €6. I find that a lot of money for this small of a packaging. I got a feeling that my lash is done for, like the glue, because I can feel it. So I feel like, damn it. Okay, moving on to, ooh, what's this? From Masada Milano. And I'm just gonna assume this is a blush, but it's a beautiful color. Wow. Wow. It's like an orange coral tone color, and I personally love those colors. I'm actually wearing an orange coral one right now. It's like, If there's any blush that's going to be my favorite blush in the world, it's going to be coral tone blushes and lipsticks. I just love them. I'm just going to assume this is a full size. It's the Diamond Blush Fartcato Baked Blush. Does it have a name? No, it just has a number. Okay, so let's see how much it costs in here. Masada Milano Diamond Blush, full size. It costs 16 euros and 10 cents, and you get a hell of a lot in here. I mean, look at this pan, it's really, really big. Moving on to, no, you kidding me? No, I'm actually using this one right now. We already received this, damn it. This is from Monu Skin. This is the Firming Fiji Facial Oil for dry and sensitive skin. And I can tell you from experience, this is very, is it coming up? Come on there we go. See, this is what that fella looks like, and it is very, very, very oily. This is not like a dry oil that dries down. No, this is oily. I already have it. I'm using it. It's not my favorite. I'm just going to be honest. So you will see this in a giveaway somewhere. Let me just see where oh, it's over here. It's a full size. I mean, it's very tiny to be a full size, but okay. And it costs 26 euros and 40 cents. It's actually a lot of money for this small of a size. If you fly regularly, then you can buy in the plane itself, like in the duty-free shop, the Nux, 100 milliliters for 25 euros. So it's actually cheaper, and it works way better than this one, I know from experience. So I would say just don't bother. Moving on to, are you freaking kidding me? No! Something else that we already received in, I don't know what box, I think it was the StyleTone box. This is from Figs and Rouge. It's the Soft Focus Pure Perfect HD Plus Matte Veil. And this is what that fella looks like, and I did not use that one. It's actually up in a giveaway, and I'm gonna give this one away as well. So I'm not gonna yap too much about it. It's full size, and it costs 39 euros and 50 cents. 40 bucks. It's ridiculous. Do not waste your money on it, because it's just simply not worth it. Okay, we have a couple. Ooh, this is from NYX. Oh yeah, we got a couple more items in here, not a lot. So NYX, yay! I love this brand. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream. Matte. Oh my god, no, please don't tell me this is a liquid lipstick. No! It's the color Tokyo. You gotta be kidding me. I hate liquid lipsticks. Ugh, I just hate them. I cannot stand the matteness. Ugh. I need to have like shine, or just like a regular lipstick, or like a cream, or wow, this lash really is wonky. I need to fix it. But I do not like matte. Damn it. No, why do you betray me like that? Okay, NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Tokyo. It's a full size, and it costs 7 euros and 30 cents. And I'm gonna make somebody very happy in a giveaway, because I do not wear matte. Moving on to, what's this? Puro B. Oh, this is probably, yeah, it's what I figured, a, doesn't really smell like anything. A, lip balm, and I'm gonna give it to my sister. She's actually coming over, clearly because it's my birthday, and I'm gonna pass this on to her, because I do not use lip balm. I always use lipstick or lip oils, but I don't use lip balms. So this is a full size, and it costs 2 euros and 49 cents. And now we're down to the last two items in here, and the box is empty. There we go. So the last two items are both from Aldo Vandini, and let's see, this is the Regeneration Hand Mask. Oh, okay. Of peach and silk, I think. So you have two of these little fellas. So this is what, focus, it's not focusing, dang it. Okay, this is what that looks like, and I'm actually gonna share this one with my mother. Let me just check, because I saw it twice in the booklet. Yeah, they're separate. So this one, the hand mask, is a full size, and it costs 1 euro and 79 cents. And I'm actually gonna share it, because you have two in here with my mother. She has very dry hands. And then we have another one from Aldo Vandini, and this is a overnight face mask. Oh, okay, so Gold Moon and I have no idea what that word is in German. I don't know how to pronounce it. But again, 2 of these little suckers. So this is what that fella looks like. And that one also costs €1.79. Okay guys, we are done. I'm sorry to rush this, but like I said, birthday guests are gonna show up. I'm in a hurry. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Pray for my life because I'm 30. It's ridiculous, I'm 30. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.